Hello and welcome, Fell fans, to the Blast Off Minecraft Survival Map. Now, pay no attention to new viewers. Pay no attention to my house. I'm not done building it yet. I need to grow some more cactus. Now, today's episode is a special episode. We are going to make a smeltery. For those of you who have 32 seared bricks from the quest reward, the reward which I can't find anymore. I looked for it, couldn't find it anymore. Can't find it. Anyways, once you get the reward for the seared bricks, if it still exists and I'm just blind, now is a good time for you to make the smeltery. If you are just... If the reward doesn't exist anymore, rather, you can make it whenever you feel like. Just follow this same method. It'll just take a lot longer if the reward doesn't exist anymore. I feel like I'm going to put my smeltery here. Was it this? It needed those corners, right? I can't remember. No, I don't think it needs those corners. It's been a while since I last made a smeltery, but I'm pretty sure the corners are optional. 32 gets you just enough to be one short. Oh, well, you gotta make the controller and the other stuff. So let's talk about how to get the seared bricks. Now, the normal method of seared bricks is not going to be possible. What you're going to want to do is get some stone. Let's see. Yeah, sure. Let's just do one. I think one should be fine. I've got plenty of other stuff. You take your stone, turn it into gravel. Take your gravel, turn it into sand. Take your sand, turn it into dust. Where'd my bucket go? Not sure where I put my other bucket, but here, let's just go ahead and set this here so that blue slimes can spawn. That'll be fun. Take some water, put it in a stone barrel. Take your dust, and then you get clay. Water and dust get you clay. 5. Just go ahead and break your clay blocks. And you're going to need about 10 clay balls for this next part. We have 29. Let's do 16. Make it even. And let's cook that. While that's cooking, let me explain the stone barrel. Stone barrel. To make a stone barrel, just take 3 smooth stone, 3 more smooth stone, and a stone slab. Now, I'm fairly sure you can... wood in barrel? What are those barrels I'm using upstairs? Over there. They're just called an oak barrel. Oak barrel. Now, I'm fairly sure you can use these as well, but I'm just using stone inside because I was doing stuff with lava with it. Now, these should be fairly done. That's 11. Perfect. I think that's exactly what we needed. Now, what we want to do is we want to make a casting table. Now the casting table is going to go... Oh, I remember what I did with my bucket. I set it here. Prepared some lava. Ooh, ooh. There. You're going to want to set that there. And then you're going to want to make a faucet. Oops. For those of you... I was a little fast with that. Here's the faucet recipe again. 3 bricks, 1 glass. Sorry about that. And then we've got this here. Now what you're going to want to do... Ooh, exactly. Is take one of these bricks and then you're going to want to take some gold. Let's take 2. 2 should be enough. Take some gold, do this. Smash gold, makes 1 hardened. Put it in here and let it warm up a bit. Let's see, you can see up at top where it says crucible, it says fluid molten gold and solid hardened gold. We've got about 160 left to go on the hardened gold. Let's let that finish. Let's see, 100. Oh, it's now that the fluid is more than the solid, it's showing up at the top as the fluid. Now, if you went and did this now, all of the fluid's going to go down, but the solid's going to remain, and that's not going to solidify. We can do that again. We still got 15. 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we go. Now it will solidify. Now it looks like that wasn't enough gold. Interesting. I have not actually made one of these. I just figured I'd figure it out as I go along. So let's go ahead and put another one in there. Noisy. Come on. Put you in there. Still not full. I wonder if it takes 1.5. There we go. There we go. So now we have this. Oh. It used up the clay. That's interesting. Let's see if it will leave us with enough fluid for an ingot. It's very possible that it will. It's very, very possible. $20 more. 10, 5, and there we go. Aha! So it was 1.5, or rather 1.5 to make the case. That makes sense. That makes sense. So let's put some grout in here. Here is the part you've all been waiting for. The actual seared stone. Let's see. Fluid, seared stone, solid grout. We're just letting that cook down a bit. Maybe I can throw another one in there? Yes, I can. 100 millibuckets. How many was a single? Less than 100. But here we go. We have our first seared brick. Oh, wrong one. 36 millibuckets was how much it takes. And we've got a bit in there. Let's just go ahead and make a few things. We've got our smeltery partially made up top. Let's see. We can make a smeltery controller, a smeltery drain. That's 6, 12, 14. Seared tank. 20, 22. Okay, let's just make 22. I might need more grout. If that's the case, I guess I won't do it all. But did I say the recipe for grout? The recipe for grout is 1 clay block, 4 blocks of sand, 4 gravel blocks. That makes 8. If you want to go the smaller route, you can use 1 block of gravel, 1 block of sand, 1 clay, and that makes 2. These are exactly the same. They do not end up cheaper in either way. So no worries about one being more expensive. Now I need 22 seared stones. Will it make enough? This is a little bit slow. Sorry about that, fell fans. While we're waiting for this, why don't we go and make some of this stuff? Let's make you. Okay. We need 2 more for the next one. That makes you. The next one needs 8. Yeah, it looks like we will have enough. Now, as with all Tinker's Construct, you can automate this. It's just that I just now built it, so it's not automated for me yet. And 8. There we go. And, here we are. Now, I believe that's all I need. I have this stuff from when I was testing out the recipes. So let's go ahead and take these. Oops. Let's get to sleep. There we go. Oh, nothing spawned. That's cool. Let's go ahead and take these here. Now, let's take you right there, you right there, you right there. Cool, cool. Let's put you here. No, I don't like you there. Let's do it eye level. Okay. Ha ha ha. And there we go. There we go. Let me get downstairs, grab some of my lava. Here we are. I keep my lava stored in here for safety. And there we... Oh my god, does that burn stuff down too? That is hilarious. Oh, bucket. No, no blue slime spawned from that. Bucket, bucket. Okay. Let's grab some of our ores. Let's do some iron. That's from a quest. Let's leave that in there just because it's stone iron. That's kind of cool. Let's let that cook, and I'm going to go back downstairs and grab my casting mold. Mold. There you are. Let's get rid of this. 36, huh? I should make another mold. And that should be enough time wasting. The iron upstairs should have cooked by now. Yes, it has. And take a look at that. We have an iron ingot. Awesome, awesome. 17 ingots. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and let this all pour out. I'm going to go make all this into ingots. And thanks for watching, fellow fans. Leave a like and subscribe if you like my show. Leave a comment below if you like my tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials. I kind of like the idea of making tutorials, so I might go and make some more tutorials. But you've been wonderful, and I've been Fallon Noel. Thanks for watching again. Bye.